Good morning everyone, this is me Aashma from grade 10A2. Today I am here to deliver short news. Let's begin with national news. The death toll from the recent landslide in Rolpa has risen to 10 people. Former Prime Minister Sher Bahadur has returned to Nepal after spending nearly 5 months in abroad. Moving on the international news, a powerful earthquake in Colombia has killed more than 270 people. Now let's take a look at the sports news. The 2026 to 27 English football season is getting underway with many championships. Now for today's weather forecast, the temperature in Kathmandu is expected to reach around 26 degrees Celsius during day. Today's sunrise is at 5:33 a.m. and sunset is at 6:43 a.m. Thought of the day. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day after day. Today's word of the day, gratitude. Gratitude. Being thankful for what we have. I repeat, gratitude. Gratitude. Being thankful for what we have. That's all for today news. Thank you for listening to me.